Alright, so you got your Matt and Steve's extreme beans. Everybody loves them with beer or any type of cocktails. Awesome. But what do you do with your leftover brine? Well, here's what I like to do. I chop up 4 or 5 carrots, open it all up, take my carrots, put in the old brine, stuff her full. Just keep stuffing them in till you can't stuff no more. Oh, can't fit no more. We'll get him in there. Stuff her full like that with good old carrots. Put the lid back on. Put it in the fridge. Leave it there for a month or two and you got hot pickled carrots. So freaking good. Have a hot pickled carrot with your favorite beer. And you'll just be happy. Good stuff. Matt and Steve's pickled beans. Apparently one of these guys are from Massey. That's where I live. Right on. Have a great day. Bye.